Yeah, brush it off, put it back in the box, move the whole box somewhere.
What? Put it in the box with all those ones?
Move that whole box.
What?
You're gonna want to move the whole box. Oh yeah, we need an empty box.
Right, we're gonna empty out that.
Yeah.
And, just dump all those.
It's probably in there.
Why? Because they're not laying there.
It's eating. They all go up.
Okay.
Okay. Cool.
So we just put it back?
Yeah, just anywhere out of the way.
Oh, but we have to get rid of the queen. So what do we? Should we take the box off first? Okay. Then here.
That is spectacular to me.
Okay. So why?
Let me get a shot of this on the camera.
I'm gonna put them right here. And try to keep them in order, because if they're weird like that, you don't want to smash the honey.
Pretty good honey frame. That's robbing the bees. This is probably the most aggressive colony of the batch. Always has been. We want to keep the purely empties away from the, the wax, the foundation need ones, but we also want some honey ones. So these ones are some honey that we're going to harvest, right? I replace one or two of the frames because these are a little wider with that. So I take out, hopefully a not too honey-filled frame, or take out a honey frame and put in the feeder frame, so that they can.
And that's their food.
Food on that. That's some extra food. That's really.
Oh, it's a replacement for the honey that you took.
Right. And they like it much better.
They like it better than honey?
It's strong. It's good. It's good for you.
There's a bee hanging out on your shoulder.
Wow. Yeah. Cool.
Actually, it's best to start with this side. Well, the middle ones tend to be close this time. So this one goes up again, this one, not this one.
Yeah, if we finish after this, we've got enough. Did you find another
Let me shake them off for you.
brush them off?
Shake them off.
Yep. Yep. Ah, pop! God damn!
That is a bee stinger in Bob's skin.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Does it definitely look like?
Yeah, you can see it poking out like a thorn.
I have one on my other hand too, I think. I've got one in each hand. I can't remember exactly where. Doesn't feel as bad. This is the one. This is definitely.
Yeah, you can see it poking out of your skin like a.
Yeah, you need to get a tweezers and.
Like a thorn.
One of those.
Oh, one frame?
One frame.
Frames are heavy.
I couldn't believe what that did to my toe. Brother, monkey humping it hurt.